Hello everyone! First of all, let's check the inspirational picture from Pinterest. Look at this. This is wedding welcome sign. Today I will use the material I have to make the welcome sign like this. Use our flower material and I will use my PVC line. Okay, now let's go. Okay, about the material for this tutorial, I will keep using the sideboard, which I used for my old tutorial. Just remove the side will be okay. Okay, remove the side and I will keep using the ball and the cardboard stand. If you want to know the detail about our sideboard and how to set up the stand with cardboard stand for our sideboard, you can check the old tutorial by click here. I don't repeat it on this tutorial. And then I will use another side by instead. This side is the material of this side is PP material, and this is the painting fabric. Okay, now since they are double face tape on the board already, so I direct place the side on the board will be okay. Just careful. And again, I strongly recommend to use the painting fabric. Will be better because it will be much more convenient to place the side on the board. Okay, so the ball is a little bit larger than our side, so I will cut it off. Okay, I will just cut the rest of the ball off. Since our ball is PVC ball, it's strong, it's light, but very easy to, will be much more easy to be cut off compared with the other wooden ball or other ball. Okay, so I cut the size I want. In very easy way. You don't need to use very special tool. It's easy. This is our PVC ball. Strong but very easy to cut off and light in weight. Okay, let's go on for the decoration. As per the inspirational picture, we need to add the frame around the ball, on the edge of the ball. So I will use this PVC material. But first of all, we need to take the measurement of our sideboard. Then I will take the measurement of this PVC frame and cut it off. Okay, then let's paste it on the board. Because they already have some groups on the back, so we can just direct paste it. Will be okay. Okay, completed. Let's check the effect. What do you think? Let's zoom in to check the detail. Look at this. Can you see the floor? Look at this, the gap. Since cutting this PVC line, we need the professional tool. Just cut the line with our scissors. It's hard to cut the angle very well, so we cannot avoid the floor. You can cover the floor by adding some flower, or actually, if you accept the floor using the come out, even there's some flaw here, you still like the design, that will be perfect, because making the frame by using this way could help to save a lot of money. The frame is very expensive, special for large frame. If you can't accept the flaw, there are other solutions. We can ask the factory to cut the line for us by paying some handling charge. Just tell me the size of the frame you want to make will be okay. Also, the factory could provide a lot of other pattern and color of the line, so you can make a lot of style of the frame. But the problem is they don't accept small order. If you just want to make one frame, they won't accept the order. So if you want to make the frame, please inbox me via Facebook page for the quantity, and the price will be better. Okay, let's put on the flower as the inspirational picture firstly. About the flower arrangement, we have two materials could help to make. One is our plastic slide, and one is our floral foam with double face tape on the back. I will show you the effect by using these two types of material. Okay, starting with this plastic slide. Using the plastic slide is very simple. Just put the flower head on the spine will be okay. Using the floral foam is very simple also. Use some flower with stem and insert on the foam will be okay. Or you can use the flower head and add the stem on it. Okay, complete it with 2 flower arrangement. This one make with our plastic slide, and this one make with our floral foam. Look at this, the size are different. Because this one is small because our plastic slide is small, and because there are no flower stem to make it larger, so the size of the flower arrangement made with our plastic slide, the size will be almost fixed, not large. But this one, the floral foam, the size of the flower arrangement depends on the flower stem. If you use shorter flower stem, flower ball will be small. If you use long flower stem, the ball will be larger. But actually, not because our floral foam is not large. Not suggest to use very long stem because the foam is small. Do not have so many space to put on the stem. And also, there are some flaw of our floral foam. Look at this. The foam and the plastic base not stick well. So if you want to use the floral foam to make the flower arrangement, you need to apply some hot glue here and adhere them together. Okay, now let's put our flower arrangement on our welcome side. Since the flower foam already have a double face tape here, just tear off the paper and stick on the ball will be okay. And our plastic side, you can apply some glue, hot glue, any glue will be okay. Okay, so let's put it on the wedding side to check the effect. Okay, first of all, let's put on the flower ball made with our plastic slide firstly. Apply some glue, hot glue on it will be okay. I just paste a double face tape because I want to reuse the material. Very simple. Just put it on the middle of the space will be okay. Okay, complete. This is the effect. Do you like it? Okay, so let's change to put on the other flower ball. Okay, then let's put on the other flower ball. They already have grip on the base, so just direct put it on the ball will be okay. This one will be much more larger than making with our plastic slide. Okay, look. Let's check the effect. The flower ball will be much more larger, which suitable for larger wedding sideboard. Okay, so which one you like? But anyway, if you want to make the design like this, we supply all the material used on our tutorial. Just inbox me via Facebook page for the quotation will be okay. Okay, so this is today's tutorial. Very simple. Everyone could make. Okay, thank you for your watching. Bye bye.